So today I'm going to be telling you everything that you need to know about this I have toothpaste dispenser and storage for your bathroom. The first thing is on how to install this. It comes with two of these little clear sticky adhesive strips. When it comes to actually installing this, all you need to do is put this on the wall exactly where you want it to be, and you make sure it's level, obviously. And then from there, you can slide this on in the back. You'll notice here on the back, it has a little notch here that fits perfectly for this adhesive. You can see it just slides on right over there, and then you'll be able to mount this onto a wall. Now, a lot of people ask if this will damage your wall if you decided to take it off later. The answer is probably yes, so do be mindful of that. It may chip off some paint if you do decide to take off the adhesive later, but this holds it extremely well, and it's not going to fall or anything like that. Another common question with these is the toothpaste dispenser. Now, I think one thing that is important to note is that some toothpastes work with this dispenser, other toothpastes do not. If you have a toothpaste that looks like this, that has the cap and it does not have the little screw thing, it will not work with this dispenser. You want something that has like a twist like this that you can kind of twist in there. Now, just because that part doesn't work doesn't mean this might not be for you. What we like to do is we actually like this toothpaste, which doesn't have the dispenser, but we just like to put it in the back here because it has this storage that is very deep, so you can put chapstick, or in our case, we like to put the toothpaste back there. So do keep that in mind in case you're wondering if your toothpaste will work. If it has the cap that doesn't have the screw, it probably will not. You have some nice storage shelf up on top of here where you can put different things. We like to put lotions or sometimes hair gel on top of here. So it's nice to have just a little bit more space and it's not on top of the counter. On the bottom here, there are different options and colors, obviously, but this is the 2-cup. As you can see, if you get the 3-cup or 4-cup, your storage on this and in the shelf is going to be more. But I think for me and my wife, the 2-cup is perfect. The way these cups work is you pull them down, and underneath here, you can obviously use this to drink, wipe off your mouth or whatever else you need. And these are magnetized underneath here. So if you hold this up, you can see there's a little magnet here. You just put them right there and they stick, which is great. It has a little shelf right here, which is awesome. If you pull this shelf, it doesn't pull out it doesn't pull out so everything falls out, which I appreciate, especially when we got things like there. We like to put our little toothpicks, our flossers inside of there, and it locks, which is great. It doesn't pull out any further and spill everywhere. Has a little handle there. The actual design is great. It's definitely something I would recommend. It does save a lot of space inside of here. And then the last thing that you have is the toothpaste holder, or the toothbrush holder. Underneath here, you can see you just flip this open and you can store a toothbrush, up to 6 toothbrushes in there. You can see there's a ton of space. You can either put it in the front or in the back here. There's more room for your toothbrushes. So a lot of different options with this, a lot of different things to store. But those are that's basically everything you need to know about this device.